Hi, today I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on your Motorola E6 Play. So, first of all, go to the settings, then display, advanced, wallpaper, and you need to choose between live wallpapers, photos or wallpapers. So we don't have any photos, maybe live wallpapers. We don't have any, so wallpapers. We have only one, so let's choose this one. Press right here, and we need to choose where you wanna install this wallpaper. On the home screen, lock screen, or both. Let's choose both. As you can see, nothing has changed, but because we have only one wallpaper. So thanks for watching, leave the like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.